Well, we can't seem to do anything right by tech companies these days. First, there is the still unresolved Amazon royalties issue, and now YouTube and Paramount have dinged us on some of our content. Now, this is odd because we have a lot of other content like this on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok, but for some reason, this one was the straw that broke the internet camel's back. It's a shame because we love this show. But alas, the viewing public does not get to see our reaction videos. Never mind that Daily Wire and other types of content creators seem to be allowed to do all of the same things, including the Daily Wire video with Ben Shapiro and Jewish Matchmaker. We certainly don't want to break the law, whether it's US law or something else, but this is a Jewish thing. So we have to ask, do reaction videos violate Jewish law? We say no, and for the following reasons. First, Judaism has done a not so great job when it comes to defining what intellectual property is. Nor could it. The rabbis of old did not live in the digital economy the way we do today. The closest we could get is to whether our reaction videos in some way en masse are unfair business practices that trick the blind customer. But this has more to do with being in a business that's, principally unfair, misleading, deceitful. We don't do anything like that for sure. The Jewish nonprofit industrial complex is far from it. Furthermore, we don't steal income from YouTube or Paramount because we don't earn income from these videos. They're actually unmonetized. To be even more direct, you could argue that we are promoting good ideas, which is something that Judaism definitely favors. You could have a religious argument of fair use, and it exists within the idea of b'shem omro, which means to speak in someone's name. It's Talmudic. If you believe something to be true, you back it up, paradoxically, with someone else's ideas. That's why we find so many times in the legal phrasing of so and so speaks in the name of so and so, in the name of so and so, as part of building on Jewish ideas, whether it's Jewish law, homiletics, biblical interpretation, or anything else. For that matter, when we study Torah, we do so with the commentaries and say who those people are. So, in other words, cite your sources. Speaking on top of and in between your sources on YouTube is hardly a violation of B'Shem Omro. On the contrary, we're doing exactly what the Talmud does, waxing and waning between what the characters, actors, and real life participants are saying. So, should our reaction videos be on YouTube? We think so. But if they don't, we'll give them to you right here. Thanks, Substack. Enjoy.